Our professional development that we offer our partner school teachers through the Core Plus program actually allows them to be able to come out for a multi-day training that they get to work with professionals to understand what it's like in the real world in aerospace and be able to apply that in their classrooms.
The benefit is that we get to really work with these instructors and help train them up so that their classrooms, their programs are really preparing students to come get entry-level jobs. To talk about it is one thing. To be able to come in here and live it for a week and witness everything that's going on along with being on site to get that training, I think it really brings value and kind of drives it home.
I'm learning that if I don't keep up with the industry standards, I can't get my students ready to start working in the industry. I've done the Boeing training, I've done material science training. I'm really an advocate of the applied math, because if we don't keep up with the standards and the changes in the real world, our students aren't going to be ready to graduate and go on to any post-secondary.
It's important for teachers to get as much training with the Core Plus curriculum as possible, just to ensure what they're saying lines up with what the industry is currently doing. The industry is always evolving, changing, improving itself, and I want to make sure that I am keeping up on top of those changes and improvements and making sure that what the students are receiving in my classroom is valuable information that the industry is using currently.
A lot of the teachers will take the project that they complete here and take those back to the class and share that information with the class and be able to, say, hey, I went through training as well. I still do this stuff. And it's just really cool because when the teacher's excited, they're excited to share information. It does translate to the students, and then they get excited about it.
I've been doing this for 22 years now. I would have quit a long time ago if I hadn't been able to do this kind of work.
For teachers that want to learn more about Core Plus, they can actually go to the web and look up coreplusaerospace.org to find out more information.